Hello guys, Nipple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have yet another unboxing, and this time we're unboxing the AirPods with wireless charging case. Okay, so yeah, if you've been following my channel for a while, you may know that I do have the original AirPods, and I do have, of course, AirPods Pro, and you might be wondering, so why are you getting AirPods, like AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case? Well, there's a reason for that, of course. And I will talk a little bit more in depth about it in another video. If it's already up, you can see it here, I believe. But basically, I don't really like AirPods Pro for calls. So with all this, how the world is right now, I'm actually making a lot of calls, like FaceTime calls, Zoom calls, Discord sessions or whatever. So I thought I'd pick this up just because I like more the feeling. And my AirPods were already old. But yeah, so AirPods 2, I went of course with the wireless charging case because I'm a sucker for wireless charging. And yeah, we're gonna unbox them. They do not have the easy opener like the Pros do. But yeah, these were released about a year and a half ago, a little bit less. But yeah, we know how this works. So we have the box here, signed by Apple in California. I don't know if you can see how bright this is. And then if we remove all the paperwork, we have the AirPods themselves. Inside we do get another lightning cable. I have way too many of these actually. Lightning cable to USB-A. Could have been to USB-C, but anyway. And yeah, this is papery, which is good. Nothing else in the box, and here we do get warranty, instructions, quite a lot of instructions actually. And yeah, so I'll put all of this aside, it's just taking up space, and we have the AirPods. So of course these are pretty much the same as the original AirPods, but because they are wireless charging case, they will have this LED indicator in here, which is not opening, it's not turning on, but yeah, this will let you know, well, it does pretty much the same that the old LED indicator does, it's just outside, because of course for wireless charging, if you put them on a wireless charging pad, it will blink to let you know the battery. But anyway, we know how AirPods work at this point, we just have to record our screens, and I think they're dead actually, because I think this should turn on. It does turn on my AirPods Pro when I open it, but this one doesn't. So I will put them to charge, and now, as you can see, well, I conveniently have a wireless charging pad here to show how they wirelessly charge. So as I said, if you put them here, the LED indicator will turn on. I don't know if you can see it, it's too bright. There we go. But yeah, it will turn on, letting you know that it's charging. But yeah, seems like I'm gonna have to leave them charging for a while before I can do the setup, which is weird actually. Let me try again. Nope, no answer. Well, yeah, so I will leave them charging and then we will do the initial setup. Okay, so they've been charging for a couple minutes now, and we will try. I think now they should pair. Yes, now when I open them, they have this white light, and we get, of course, the AirPods. Click connect, and boom, we're done. Actually, they had battery, so that's weird. Anyway, yep, now I have the AirPods here. It's AirPods, I'm gonna have to rename them. And now in iOS 14 we do get the AirPods themselves battery and the battery case battery, and that is pretty cool. So another great thing about this, well, I'll probably have to update the firmware, but another pretty cool thing about this is that they connect automatically and switch automatically between devices in iOS 14 and other systems. And of course the AirPods, we know by now how they sound good, but actually, and they feel in the ear. I haven't worn like regular AirPods for quite some time now, and they do feel pretty different in the ears. So let me play some music. And yeah, It's weird. I've gotten used to the Pros now. I've been using them for over 6 months, since April. We're in October. And yeah, they're quite different. The feel, the sound. I like very much how these sound. I will continue using the Pros to listen to music, but this one, to speak right now, I don't even notice I have them. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, this will be very handy for the calls. But yeah, this has been the unboxing and review of the, first impressions of the AirPods 2 with wireless charging case. I don't think honestly that you need a review of this by now. If you want to check the unboxing and or review of the Pros, you can do so by seeing my channel or in the link down below in the description. And yeah, again, I will do a video going more in depth on the reasons why I bought the AirPods 2 having the Pros. But yeah, this is everything that I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions about the AirPods 2 or even in comparison with the AirPods Pro, you can let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and now I have to announce that I have a Twitter account. You can find me, it's at @NewAppleTimes, and yeah, I will also link it down below in the description. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.